Do you like SpongeBob? Okay, thank you. SpongeBob's Easter Parade. I'm not going to show you the pictures. Okay, yes, I will. SpongeBob's Easter Parade. Okay, never mind. Boop, 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 boop. Do you like socks? I have a loose too. I am a loser and I won't play. That's Logan, my best friend. Okay. I'm 7. We know my name. And I'm 7 too. His birthday is in January 18th. And she's in April 4th. Yeah, April 4th. And I have a pool. You want to see it? See it. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put you in my chair. So you can see something real quick. Let me show them a picture of your pool. Yeah. No. So you're not in your real pool. Yeah. Here, let's do the blinds. Here. Facing this way. Let me put it on my desk. Okay, I'm gonna get. Here, let me get it. Here. Okay. But here, you are stuck here. No, you don't need a. Get right. So, we're about to see the real pool. It's so exciting. As you will see, the real pool is coming up next. Okay. Today, we're going to show you. Can you see it? Okay. Turn it around. Curve move. Okay, I'll get it. Set it up here. Courage. Here, let me get courage. You hold the computer. Okay. Can you see it there? Send me a message if you can. You can see it there? Can I see it? Oh, I can. They can? Yeah. Is the weather pretty? Yep. Wow. That's cool, guys. So, what should we go next? I know, we can sing a song for you. And I'll play the music. You sing. Okay. When I'm on the road, I like to kick your butt. When I'm on the road, you can bring back your head. Okay, let's play on the road. I know what we could play, Gruffalo Bill. No, touch my, Logan, touch my head. Touch my head. Stop touching my head. Let's put Gruffalo Bill on. Okay, I'll get it. I'm going to turn my iPod on. Do you want to see it? Oh, do you want to see a disgusting picture? Do you like Justin Bieber? I hope not. I'm going to look at the water. This is my iPod. Turn it on. This is how you turn it on. You have to click that little button there. And do you want me to get it? I'll get it on, what do I call it? Never mind. I'll get it for you. You want to see a baby? That's a baby. You can't see it real well. Oh wait, done. Katy Perry. Do you like Katy Perry? I'm getting
do fireworks.
Wait until I get my Justin Bieber picture up. It went on. Oh. Okay. Here it is. Sorry for that. That's Justin Bieber, Katy Perry. I don't know who that other. Okay, put something on. You want to hear one of Katy Perry's songs? Yes. Then we put Gruffalo Bill on. Not Gruffalo Bill. We put Not Like the Movies on, and we're not going to turn Gruffalo Bill on. And it's also called Bungalow. Yeah. It's on. Okay, where's my microphone? But you don't have to say it. You don't have to say it. You just pretend like. No, you're supposed to move the words like that. I hate the light. You're supposed to like that. I like this part. I told you. If you're Emily Dawn Green, my best friend, Western Oaks Elementary, 2nd grade, Miss Woods class, you might be watching this. This is my friend Logan, which you probably already know. Sorry for me. I hope that you can see it. Stop it. Okay, and then if my man Dan has the next minute, then it's start. Okay, let me tell you something. What? Maxwell, don't watch this. Maxwell, watch this. Maxwell, watch it. I said what? Oh! You wanna hear something? You like this? You like this? It says, I love you. Can I set the game? Uh-oh. Wait, I didn't go to live. Why? Oh no. Let me get it. We're so sorry about that. You can probably still see us. I know. I have fantastic. But mine. Ow, 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 ow. I'm excited. Stop farming. Stop farming. What is the science thing for? I don't know. Was it? Huh? No. Why? It doesn't do anything. Stop it! Show them the lightsaber! I like Darth Vader. Where is your power? You like Dynamite? Yeah, let's do that. You want to see somebody? No, yeah. Okay. Aren't you my husband? Because I'm a boy. And I'm a friend. Actually, we're secret. Okay, I can't tell you that shit is good. This is my puppy courage. You might remember it, yeah. It's just too long. Okay. Not too long. Oh, I love it. It's only 10 minutes. We can take it, this video for 10 minutes. We can take it longer. We can take it for an hour. You want to see me have a drink? And, hey, let's do the end. When we do it, we're going to have Katy Perry at the end. Or Dynamite again. But next, Dynamite. I drink Mountain Dew, do. Oh, do you want to see something good, Teddy? The phone talk. I'm going to throw them under there. You're going to wear it? You're going to see underwear. Yeah. You like kids? Yeah. Pig. Nothing. Pink. Wait, where'd it go? Where did it go? Where'd it find it? My dog on the left. Ow! Kiss my dog on the my dog bites. She's a killer. Completely shift. Completely shish. Amazing world of drama. Can I tell them a secret? Can I tell them a secret? I married SpongeBob.